Oh, hi, Rosa here. I was just wondering what's the best way to get into all these cool new programs on my new computer. I'm going to show you each way, and then you can talk to your teacher to confirm the best way for you. You need 4 items to log in: your email address, user ID, password, and Clever Badge. There are 2 ways to log in. First is using your email or user ID and password, or the Clever Badge. How do I know which one to use? Easy, ask your teacher. First way is using your email address or user ID and password. Let's look at the entire process. You will first go to the CMSD website or the Clever website. Find Clever, enter your email address, enter your password, and bam, you're in. Your email address should be your first name dot last name at cmsdk12.org. If you've forgotten your email address, username, or password, please contact your teacher. Some programs ask for a username. This is very rare. Usually, you will use your email address. If you're ever in doubt, just ask your teacher. The other way is using this Clever Badge. First, find your webcam at the top of your computer. Hold your Clever Badge facing the webcam and look for the green check mark. If you see this message, you may need a PIN number. If you do, put it in, or if you don't have it, ask your teacher. Let's look at the whole process. First, go to the Cleveland Metropolitan School District website. Then, find the tab for Students. Let's see, where is the Students tab? There it is. So once you find the Students tab, scroll down the menu to find Clever. Log in with your directory, Clever Badge, or Clever Site. We're going to log in with our email address and password. Bam! You're in. Your page will look similar to this, but yours will be tailored to your teachers and your courses. Stuck? I got your back. Just call 216-838-0440. I know you're overwhelmed, but together we can do this. Stay safe, and we've got this.